Hey beauties, and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. Today we'll be doing a side part slay with this straight wig from WowAfrican Hair, and this wig came with the knots already pre-bleached, and it is a 360 lace, a 20-inch, and it's like more than true to length because it's like way longer than what it says it is. And also all I had to do was just pluck the front of the lace wig some more, and yeah, I'm just gonna go jump straight into the installation process. Now, as I mentioned, this is a 360 wig, and I'm not going to glue down the back because we typically don't like to glue down the back. So we're just going to glue down the front, and we're going to do a side part with some baby hair. But I'm going to tell you guys now, so you don't get disappointed, I am not going to show you guys how I did the baby hair in this video, because I told y'all I am preparing for our baby hair slay video. So I did record me doing the baby hairs, but that's going to go in our baby hair tutorial because I told you guys I'm going to do a video showing different techniques and different styles of baby hairs. Okay, so don't kill me, you're still going to see it, just not at this moment. But however, I'm going to go ahead and begin to add my layers of adhesive. And before I applied that glue, I did use my scalp protectant and applied it on the hairline and blow dried it on a warm setting. And then after that was dry, that's when I started to add my layers. And then for today's installation, I will be using 4 layers of adhesive. And once it's done, like now, I will go ahead and, apply the wig and, just do my typical steps of the melting process. And then we're going to get into pretty much the styling portion of this video. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. So as you guys know, Asia does have like a small forehead, so most of that lace that I have like pulled downward, the hair that I have pulled downward, it will be cut off once I go in with the eyebrow razor to razor off the extra lace. And this is typically none of the hair that is needed for the installation, so I would just go ahead and razor it off. But I like to just go in with my scissors first and make that little slit, and then I would take that eyebrow razor and just razor it right on off. And you want to get as close as to their hairline as possible, especially where that lace has been tucked down really good, because if it's not needed, you don't need it, cut it off. But if you need some extra of that lace to match the hairline perfectly, then of course you can go in and just tack down whatever else may have got missed when you applied that adhesive. But I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to razor everything off, and once I do that, I will pull down a section for the baby hairs, get my side part going, and start to get everything pressed out. now that all of that lace is cut off, I'm going to go ahead and begin to pull down the section from my baby hairs, and then just go ahead and start to sleek out my parting area with my wax stick and of course the hot comb. And once I get all of that done, I will just get everything sleeked out, and I will part the baby hair part that I pulled down into little plaited sections, because afterwards I am going to spray that hairline with the holding spray and then tie it down. So I'm just going to, before I do that, just pluck out a few hairs from certain spots of the hairline where I feel like it's too much hair, and then I will proceed to follow those steps. Now, when trying to achieve a very, very sleek look, you want to make sure that you go into that frontal part of your wig and really hot comb everything out nice and sleek, because that's what's going to help you get that really nice flat look and also that very sleek look. So I'm going to part off sections and apply that wax stick and just keep going in with the hot comb to make sure that every part is nice, flat, and sleek from the roots down to the ends. But of course, I still have to go in with the flat iron and still flat iron the hair out. But this is the first thing I'm going to do before I even get into that whole flat ironing process. So now that all of that is sleek, I just went ahead and kind of clipped it back so that it's out the way. And I know I'm not going to show the baby hairs, but that will be on the baby hair tutorial. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and spray that hairline, tie it down. And when she do come back on the camera after removing the melt veil, her baby hairs will already be completed. And all that will be left to do is just, finish the flat ironing process and concealing the part. And that would pretty much sum of this tutorial. And I know y'all will be dying to see how I did the baby hairs, but I have big plans for our baby hair tutorial that I will be releasing. So just bear with me, guys. I'm going to be cropping out a lot of the baby hair parts on, the more recent videos until I have enough footage to just do a full baby hair tutorial. So I'm sorry you guys won't see it in this video, and I apologize in advance for the ones you won't see as well. But It's in the works. Just work with me, y'all. It's in the works. The baby hair is complete. This is a quick view of the baby hairs or whatever, and I did this using the gel method. With the baby hairs, I know I usually do like the holding spray or whatever like that, but today I went in with the gel method. So I'm going to show you guys in that video different methods using different products. But however, her baby hair is on complete. And the video looks a little bit darker now. I noticed, like, it looks darker here, but once I actually show y'all the finishing look with her standing up against the wall, it will look more, like you will see it better. Like, you will really get a clear vision of the look. So sorry if this is a bad angle as far as the tutorial, but the finishing look is so bomb, and this is her standing up against the wall with better clear lighting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.